Good morning, friends. This is Kiran sir from Vasalabai Manmari School of Scholars. Welcome to online classes. Today we are going to deal lesson number 10, tenses, talking about the present and the past, part second. Actually, in this lesson we discuss about the past continuous tense and past perfect tense. Everyone have the knowledge about the past perfect tense and formula and rules of where we use and what is the formula, and past perfect tense also you already know. So till that we discuss about the past continuous tense, subject plus was where plus V4 VING plus object. So this is the was where and fourth form of the verb VING. This is the rules or formula of the past continuous tense. See here, this is the example. I was sleeping. This is the general example. We are discussing the present continuous tense, and this is the example of the for past continuous tense. I was sleeping. Okay. Now this sentence we have to change into negative sentence. Everyone have the knowledge about the how to make the negative sentence. I wasn't. I was not sleeping. And actually we have to deal the question sentence. This is called the interrogative sentence. Okay. Now, was I sleeping? This is the common example, and you already know that. Now today we are going to deal past perfect tense. Past perfect tense formula is that subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Subject plus had and third form of the verb and object. This is the formula of the past perfect tense. Okay, see the example of past perfect tense. I had worked. This is the example of past perfect tense. Now this sentence we have to change into negative. I had not, hadn't. I hadn't worked. There is no change in the verb form. Okay, got it? Now this sentence we have to change into question or interrogative. Everyone have the idea. Till that we have to see. Had I worked and question marks. So this is the simple criteria when we are discussing about the past continuous tense and the past perfect tense. This is the part first. Now we have to deal important section of this lesson, uses. What is the uses of past continuous tense and past perfect tense? Everyone have the idea. The past continuous tense is used for an incompleted action in the past. This is not completed action but in the past. So that's why this is the past continuous tense. See here, this is the example. I was watching a video. Okay, I was watching a video. मैं वीडियो देख रहा था. What happened? Nothing. So that's why this is the incompleted action. वो complete भी नहीं हुई है, and this is the starting in the past and result showing in the present. So that's why this is the uses for that. See second example. When Tom was cycling home. When Tom was cycling home, a tire punctured. जब घर में वो साइकिलिंग कर रहा था तो टायर पंचर हो गया. So that's why this is the important for the past continuous tense, and this is the incompleted action in the past. Okay, and still is going on. Still is still going on. वो जारी है. That for that we uses the past continuous tense. Got it? So there is a little difference between the simple past and past continuous tense. You have a questions regarding that. What is the difference between that? See here, simple past. When you are discussing about the simple past, this is the action completed. So action completed in that way, in that time, use the simple past, already action completed. But when we're discussing about the past continuous tense, this is the action was going, incompleted action in the past. So for that we use the past continuous tense. Action is not completed, is going on. Okay, so this is the difference between simple past and past continuous. Now we have to deal the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used for action completed before certain point in the past or before another action happened. दूसरी कोई एक्शन हैपन होने के पहले दिस एक्शन वाज कंप्लीटेड, दैट टाइम वी हैव टू यूज द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. गॉट इट? We do not deal the another action before that happened in the past perfect tense. This is called the past perfect tense. See here, example. By 8 o'clock I had done my homework. 8 बजे तक मैंने मेरा होमवर्क कर चुका था, मैं मेरा होमवर्क कर चुकी थी. So actually in this tense we do not interfere the another action. Only we have to concentrate one action and that is completed. So that's why and that's time we use the past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense we use when talk about the two past action. Already we use the past perfect tense in action completed before the another action happened. वो happen होने के पहले ही जो एक्शन हो जाती है उसके लिए भी हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं. बट ऑफन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस वी यूज इन अ पास्ट टू एक्शन. देयर आर टू एक्शन, सिंपल पास्ट एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. See here, we are discussing about the past perfect and this is the earlier actions and simple past for other action. These are the two actions, simple past and past perfect tense. These are the two actions we have to use in a one sentences also. These are the two past action we have to use in a one sentences. Say here, this is the example. We reached the station at 5:20. We reached the station at 5:20, but the train had already left. We reached. This is the simple past, second form of the verb. We reached the station at 5:20, but the train had already left. When we reached the station, the train had left. This is the another example we can say that. So for the uses of the two past action we have to use the past perfect tense, and in that oftenly the past perfect tense oftenly we use the two action. There is a one is simple past and second is the past perfect tense. Okay students, I hope you understand the first part as well as second parts of this lesson, because this is the we are discussing in this lesson the uses of the past continuous tense and uses of the past perfect tense. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.